This is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is my braised chicken strips with spinach, with crushed garlic, rosemary, black pepper, and salt. The paprika, the smoked paprika makes it has a very good smoky flavor, and it has a sauce that goes with this braised chicken and spinach and garlic. This is a delicious dish for the meals that you want to impress your guests with. I would like for you to get this recipe from soulfoodqueen.net because this is where the recipe is, and you can find other recipes there too. This is my braised chicken breast with spinach and crushed garlic. I hope you can really see how beautiful the spinach is and see how the crushed garlic on top and the rosemary. This is a delicious dish. I want you to try it. This is Sandra, and I would like to say happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.